Mathomo thukuru-ini cia university cia muingi ni megutharara kwambiriria utuku wa umuthi thutha wa kiama kia aruti wira a university UASU gutangatha kwambiriria mugomo thaa thita cia utuku wa umuthi.
So the three unions are meeting tomorrow and River Nile will reach the Mediterranean Sea.
Itua ria mugomo uyu rikinyaniirio thutha wa UASU kuga gutiri undu ukinyaniirio thiini wa micemanio iria ikoretwo igithie na mbere gatagati-ini kao na thirikari.
Get it? Midnight to dawns are going to down their tools and they will only go back when the three demands are met.
When that employer does not do that he is supposed to do, then we invoke the rights within the constitution of this country, which we have done.
Kuringana na UASU, mamwe ma mateta mao ni hamwe na kwaga kurutithio wira kwa wiguano wa mwaka wa 2025-2029 gukorwo matarihitwo thiri wa ciringi bilioni 2.73 ta uria kwaiguithanirio wiguano-ini wa mwaka wa 2025-2026. Muikariri giti wa UASU akiuga ona thengia wa kuhe thirikari notithi ya thiku 7 gutiri kihonia kironekanire.
Ni kama ni dance basi tuko tayari kesho tuwapatie hiyo densi basi tuone vile tunaendelea. Na wajua wanafunzi wameingia katika vyuo vikuu, wameanza mwaka wao mpya. Wanafunzi wasiwe na wasiwasi, mgomo tutaifanya, ni haki yetu.
7.9 billion will hit our account and we shall negotiate 2025-2029 CBA.
Arutani aya moigite ni mahete thirikari ihinda riganu na riu matire na wiki otiga kuiga mirothi nginyagia riria thirikari irionania wendi wa gutia uiguano ucio.
We are not going to allow our members any more workload so that we try to overbear what is minimally accepted by Q.
We have been taken for granted for far too long in this country. Nobody bothers about higher education. Nobody. It is in this sector that you can go without salary and nobody bothers.
Mugomo uyu ukite ona thengia wa minister wa githomo Julius Migos kwanirira ati kuri na miario irathie na mbere gatagati-ini kao na UASU ona gutuika UASU ni tariirie na kuga micemanio yothe iria kinyaniirio gutikoretwo na umithio.
As we speak, we'll be getting some confirmation from Treasury as to which is the actual date when that exchequer will be released. And this information, once passed to UASU, they will then have a discussion and see whether it is enough for them to be able to withdraw the notice and continue with the studies until that money is paid.
So UASU responded yesterday, and we told them, we shall not attend that meeting if you don't give us beacons for negotiation and a counter offer.
Hindi ya mugomo uyu arutwo nio megukorwo makiurirwo ni mahinda amu mathomo megukorwo marugamite.
Solidarity forever.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV Getwo wa Boi wa Njuguna.